Hey there, students, enthusiasts of Matlab. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our tech series. Today, we're diving into the world of Matlab, specifically how to create an animated sine wave plot. Now let's get into the code. Here's what you need to do. 1. First, define your parameters. You'll need a time vector, t, which spans from 0 to 2 pi. Then, set your amplitude, frequency, and phase shift. 2. Next, create a figure and plot your initial sine wave. 3. Now let's animate it. Use a for loop to update the phase shift over time. 4. Finally, use the set function to update the y data of the plot, and the drawn-out function to force Matlab to render the updated plot. And that's it. You've created an animated sine wave plot in Matlab. You can adjust the frequency, amplitude, and phase shift to customize the sine wave, as well as the loop parameters to control the animation speed and duration. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in.